Can you use copyrighted music on YouTube? Yes and no. I'm going to show you something to avoid, and then I have 4 resources for you that will allow you to use awesome music in your YouTube videos without jeopardizing your monetization and your YouTube channel. Now, if you look here at the top and you type in no copyright music on YouTube, you may find sites such as this one, NCS, no copyright sounds. Here's the problem with these sites. They will tell you that they are copyright free, meaning that you can use them in your YouTube videos without jeopardizing anything and still being able to monetize. I would avoid any sort of website, any sort of YouTube channel like this. And why do I know this? Because on my largest channel so far, Andrea Jean Cleaning, with over 460,000 subscribers, we're just under the copyright tab right here. I would use this music and then I would receive copyright claims. So I would avoid anything like this. YouTube has pretty strict policies when it comes to copyright and copyright infringement. They have a very stealthy content ID system that is able to match your music with anything else on the internet. You may have also seen the term fair use, which allows you the reuse of copyright protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. However, beware, they can pull that at any time. So you may have spent hours creating a YouTube video and you may be monetizing it and racking up views, but they can pull that at any time. So to avoid that, here are 4 resources for you. Well, since we're here, if you look here on the left-hand side and you go to audio library, YouTube has a whole library full of music that you can choose from that is copyright free, as long as you abide by the terms and conditions. And you can search this by genre, by mood, by artist, and duration. The next one is Epidemic Sound. I have a license for all 3 of my YouTube channels. Now, you do have the option to do a 30-day free trial. What's great about this is you can use any of the music on their site. If you decide to cancel your subscription, you still are able to keep that music in your YouTube videos without punishment. And what's great about anything that you use or purchase for this, it's a business expense. Of course, always consult with your CPA. Much like Epidemic Sound, there's a resource called Litt without the E in it right here, and it follows the same concepts as Epidemic Sound. So you can just decide what music you like better, or you could have 2 subscriptions. It's totally up to you. Can I still monetize my YouTube video if I use music from Litt? Absolutely. And you can read more about this if you want. Last but not least is Artless.io. Also, they have amazing music in here that you can use once you buy the license and follow their terms of service. If you want to learn more about fair use and copyright and what to do if you receive a claim, click this video on screen now and in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.